Andi Obapa di Manasong Karungulana.
Time flies, no lie. I'd rather be getting high, riding with my niggas getting right. It ain't over till I say.
Burning! Walang kwan pa na. Wala pa na. I want like this small red. Should be burning.
Yo, G, what up?
Hi, good morning.
Yay!
Greeting from the Sparcious. Good morning.
Where are you going, Daddy?
Alright, so today I'll have a meeting. Then I will host a family day in Xavier. Then I'll be hosting wedding in the afternoon. Pancakes, egg, fruits, and egg.
I'll go sit.
Bye, mommy.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
So mga sa amin, then we'll go to our first meeting. Here you go! Ooh.
Ako nga high school barkada. Ni-graduate me 2013. Ay, nagpalag na. Ay, nagpalag na. Dili, tamutan lang. Si taga nga din. Si Doc Erwin Tagoy.
Hi, hello.
Eh, nga mong mga gwapa nga mga asawa. Soon to be. Next year. Okay. So, series of meetings ni siya. Sikreto ni siya kay paano mong pwestuhan ni for the future.
Mo. Sakto na.
Yeah. Ayan nyo na ma-realize pag nanamoy family.
Char.
Oo ba? Ngayon mo di ang malipay mong asawa. Okay, so di alam sa mo kayo. Check up mo. Mo nagwa kami nagkasinabot dito mo nang mag-cheese na migbilyo. Kani nga amigo, kani si Doc, ninyuonon po ni siya. So muna ako sa istorya nga, sa mangyod, basin magdudua pa ka.
Samo kayo.
Ay. So mag-change venue mi kay wapag ko niya na convince manggod sa. So muna mag-change venue nang pakaunon sa ko niya daw before. Done with my meeting before ko madto sa family day sa Xavier. Mura akong buhok mo na masabtan. So kailangan sa ko magpaalot. Look at my shades. Oh, taran! Magic! So, nasa grado, pwede siya may mong shades. Oh, di ba? Thank you very much St. Jude Optical Clinic na diya sa may Centrio Mall, 3rd floor. Thank you very much. Cool. Upaw na ko tanawon.
Pagkutpot na po niya akong misis, ako manager. Kaya 250 ang kuhan. Dapat ka mo na may mga manager nga kuhan. Inot. Saan na? 250 ka mahal ba? Yun talaga. By choice. Okay. So let's go. That's it. Doon ako sa family day. Oh. Boom! Hello people. Take 2 na ni siya. Kaya mo dito na-record ka kanina. Nanaw ka rin sa Xavier. Wow. Okay, family day diri sa, I think grade 1 raman no? Grade 1 and grade 2. Tanawa, puno kayo ang mga sakyanan din eh. Oh yeah. Sinapa ko diri sa faculty nila. Kaya siyempre, bisag bahalag dili kay tsuraan. Kailangan gyud mo mag-make up. Ano ang ginagamit? Royal. Kaya murag na tsura. Ay ma'am, hapon.
Nag-mask ka very na while.
Ah, okay. Kung favorite wife din mo.
Good afternoon.
Agoy, nana ko yung lechon nakita. Lechon tre. Hi. 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 Tulala siya bro. First time sa kitag baboy nga gastorya ba? Tao ko ha.
Ladies and gentlemen, ang baboy na may dimple, Bernie Bidon Bidon! O, di hunong. Ang artista pagsunod galing, pagsigit ang anak, pagpag! Ay, ginoo ko, trobit! Bisang pagpagpag, garbuso! Ladies and gentlemen, ang baboy na may dimple, Bernie Bidon Bidon! Hanya pwede mo pakpak. Andi mo pakpak di manapon karong bulana.
Alright people, it's already 5:10. So okay Rosel? So I need to go. Man, I need to go, man. Padulong pa mis kasal. Kung asawa mo yung nag-drive.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Pagdali mo kay maghuspa og kasal. Alright. Diba? Sige ka. So, naka-Amerikano rin ko. Actually, I'm already late, baby. Oh, black baby. People, may lalang nakapasko sa kasal and timing, baby. Okay nila.
we're done.
Yeah,
We're going home.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nawa kong anak, gusto siya Jollibee ice cream.
Time flies, no lie. I'd rather be getting high, riding with my niggas getting right. It ain't over till I say so. Time flies, no lie. I'd rather be getting high, riding with my niggas getting right. It ain't over till I say so. Hold up, roll up, more money to throw up. Walk in the club, everybody go up. 150K just to show up, and everything ain't what it seems. It's hard to live somebody else's dreams. I put all my trust in my team. Know that my money straight, won't let nothing come in between. Politic with my fam, never let the hate intervene. Smoking weed out of Vegas and thanking God for the scene. Thinking back to when we ain't have it. Made it on, came far, needed practice. Moving forward while you thinking backwards. Never sleep, hardly need a mattress. I kick my shoes off my feet, then fall asleep in my seat. Claiming you won your job, well doggy it ain't complete. Claiming you got the squad, but y'all niggas can't compete. Came with too many broads, can't fit them all in my suite. What can I say? Bring the champagne glasses.